Something out there is speaking, but we still don't know who or what. Space is massive, silent, and mostly empty, so when something out there makes a sound, scientists pay attention. Over the years, telescopes have picked up signals that don't match stars, planets, black holes, or anything we understand. Some lasted only a second, others repeated for decades. A few appeared once and were never heard again. Here are 10 of the creepiest signals from space that scientists still can't explain. Number 10. The unicorn pulse. In 2020, astronomers detected an ultrashort radio pulse coming from a tiny region of space. It lasted less than a millisecond, but carried more energy than the sun produces in days. It didn't match any known pulsar or magnetar pattern, earning the nickname the unicorn pulse. With no repeating activity, no source, and no known object nearby, it remains a one-off mystery floating in the dark. Number 9. The Lorimer Burst. First recorded in 2007, this was the first ever fast radio burst that shook the scientific community. It was so powerful and unexpected that researchers initially thought it was a glitch. Later, they proved it came from billions of light years away. What makes it creepy? It arrived in a single blast, then never returned, like a cosmic knock on the door with no one on the other side. Number 8. The PRS Mystery Pulse, 2024. In early 2024, telescopes detected an extremely strange, extremely loud radio burst that behaved unlike any FRB ever seen. The energy was massive, but the signal shape didn't match black holes, magnetars, or quasars. Researchers proposed new categories of unknown cosmic emitters because it didn't fit any existing one. So far, it hasn't repeated. Number 7. GCRT J1745-3009. Discovered near the center of the Milky Way, this object emits bright radio bursts exactly 77 minutes apart, until it suddenly stops for months or years. Nothing else in the galaxy behaves this way. Some astronomers believe it may be a brand new type of star. Others think it's something far stranger, because the energy is far too strong for a dead star, but too inconsistent for a living one. Number 6. The 3-second repeating signal. In 2022, a Canadian radio telescope picked up a signal repeating every 3 seconds, the longest, slowest pulse ever recorded. It was too long to be a neutron star, too stable to be random noise, and too rhythmic to be natural. It pulsed like a heartbeat every 3 seconds for 3 minutes straight, then silence. Number 5. The Boötes Void Transmission. The Boötes Void is a massive region of space with almost no galaxies, a cosmic desert. But in the 1990s, a telescope picked up a weak, patterned signal coming from the middle of this emptiness. No known star system is there to create it. Some physicists suggested it could be a cosmic echo of something ancient. Others wondered if something once lived in the void. Number 4. SHGBW2+14a. In 2003, astronomers detected a narrow-band radio signal, the type often used for artificial communication, coming from deep space. It was strong, structured, and looked engineered. But every time they pointed the telescope back, the signal shifted position, as if moving. No natural object behaves this way, and no satellite was nearby. To this day, it is classified as unresolved. Number 3. The weird space whistle. In 2014, NASA scientists recorded a perfectly clean whistling tone near Saturn, an ascending sound exactly like a slide whistle. But there was no object, rock, or magnetic field that could create it. It lasted only moments and was never heard again. Some called it the eeriest sound ever recorded in the solar system. Number 2. The black hole analog signal. In 2019, telescopes captured a repeating radio signal orbiting a black hole, except it shouldn't have been possible. The pulse pattern suggested something orbiting in a stable loop within the black hole's danger zone, where gravity should shred anything to atoms. Yet the signal repeated for weeks. Some theorists believe it may be a new form of matter, or something we don't have words for yet. Number 1. The WOW signal. On August 15, 1977, a huge narrowband radio burst hit a telescope in Ohio, so sharp and so perfect that astronomer Jerry Ehman circled it and wrote "WOW" beside it. It matched the exact profile scientists expected from an intelligent source searching for contact. 47 years later, despite dozens of follow-up scans from major telescopes, the signal has never returned. No star, no planet, no comet, no known object can fully explain it. The WOW signal remains the most famous, most debated, and most haunting space transmission ever detected. Space is supposed to be quiet, yet these signals suggest something out there is calling, pulsing, or whispering across the void. Some are natural mysteries we haven't solved yet. Others defy every explanation we have. Which signal do you think is the creepiest? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries every week.